Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Gmail account. So if you also want to log in Gmail account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Gmail application. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see your profile icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now all of your Google accounts will be displayed over here. At bottom, you'll be able to find the options for add another account, manage accounts on this device. Simply tap on the option add another account. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can choose the option through which you can set up the email. You'll be able to find the options for Google, Outlook, Yahoo, Hotmail, etc. Simply tap on the first option, that is Google. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to sign in to your Google account, or you can also create your account for yourself. Simply tap on the option create account. After that, you'll be able to create the new account for yourself. But if you want to sign in to your Gmail account, simply enter your email or phone in this field. Now after you enter your email or phone, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, what you have to do is enter your password. Simply enter your password. If you want to check your password, tap on the option show password. After that, you'll be able to check your password. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the option forget password. After that, you'll be able to reset it. Now after you've entered your password, simply tap on the next option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, basically, you'll have to agree to the Google Play Terms of Service, Google Privacy Policy, and Google Terms of Service. Simply tap on the option I agree. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Gmail account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.